wants the power. Power to chop.
Migration time, they're coming from the Arctic, going all the way down into Baja to do their calving, and so we're seeing their migration pattern. And they actually have the longest
You guys, let me think about outside.
15,000 miles.